All right, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to make and format your Works Cited page. Remember, this Works Cited page has every source that you have used in your essay, and it's also the last page that you put in your essay. So you type out your essay, you print that out, and this should be the last page that you attach to that. So for this, I just pretended like I'm writing an essay on Meghan Markle, and I have my three sources. They all kind of run together, so right now it's kind of confusing to see. But first things first, you want to make sure that your sources are in alphabetical order. So if you're using the flipbook or you are using the writer's ink and you're going through that list, based on what you recorded in your source information box while you were taking notes, you start out with the author's last name, comma, first name. If there is no author, you just start out with the article title. So I have authors on each of my sources. So I just started with Brett, fine, and then this one, the G one, put them in alphabetical order. Typed out all of the information that I could find. Remember to separate them by periods, so you'll notice that there are periods all throughout each entry, so just separate it with periods. When you get to the end of one, hit enter and go down to the next one so you can start typing that. Once you have it all formatted, it looks like this. You have Works Cited centered as the title up at the top. It should be in Times New Roman. It should be 12-point font, all of that good MLA traditional stuff. But what you're going to do is highlight all of the text on your document. And then up here, there's a paragraph section on the Home tab. And there's one where it will say line and paragraph spacing or something similar to that. So if you click on that and go all the way down to line spacing options, this pop-up box will have both things that we need to do for our Works Cited page. So the first thing, you want it to be double spaced. So you can click on line spacing, select double. And then there's a section that's called indentation, and there's something that has special. So you're going to click on this drop down box and it's going to make a hanging indent. So you want to choose the one that says special and then hanging. It should be about 0.5. You'll click OK, it will double space it, and then it also makes a hanging indent. So you can see it's double spaced. And then the hanging indent, so the first part of your entry is all the way aligned to the left margin, and if it goes to a second line or a third line, those will be indented. So you can tell each starting one starts all the way on the margin. Okay, each line additional that it has is underneath. If you have any questions, watch the video again. If you still have questions or you're still confused, ask questions so that we can help you out.